In my previous video, I discussed how to sign a PDF document with digital signature certificate. And today I'm going to put you through on how to sign a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat PDF Reader on your iPhone. So let's just get right into it. On your iPhone, open the App Store. As the App Store opens, tap on Search. Tap the search bar area and then search for Adobe Acrobat Reader. From the list, you can see the Adobe Acrobat Reader. That's not the first option. The first option is sponsored, okay? So this one with the name Adobe Acrobat Reader, that's what you need. So tap on the install button, which is the cloud icon with an arrow pointing down. After the downloading of the application, tap Open. On this new page, you can see Welcome to Acrobat Reader. Easy to use PDF tools designed to give you the power for quickly work with your docs from anywhere. Tap Continue. Tap Continue. You see, you have the option to allow notification. I don't want it, so maybe later. Continue. Now, here it displays the free version and the premium version. We will be using the free version for the signing of our PDF document, okay? So no need of us going for premium, okay? So tap the close icon at the top right. I am signing into the software because I have used it on my device before. But please, if you are using it for the first time, you will see sign in button or create account button. Ensure you create account or sign in with your Apple ID, okay? Once you register with your Apple ID, you will land it on an interface that looks like this. You need to sign in or create account before we can be able to sign PDF file with the digital signature. You got that? So very important. Okay, now let's go and import the file we want to sign. So tap the plus sign. Select open file option. Then here the file I want to open is saved locally on my iPhone. So select the iPhone files. Navigate to the file you want to sign. I would like to access a specific folder where I saved my own PDF file. So I will tap on Browse tab at the bottom right, okay? Then Acrobat folder is selected by default. So tap on that Acrobat and then select on my iPhone. Now this displays the files that are available on the Files app of my iPhone, the home page. Okay, so I will get to where the PDF file is saved. If you cannot find the file or you are finding it difficult getting to the file, please tap the search area and type the name of the file. So in my own case, the PDF file, I name it letter PDF. Okay, so I will type the name and here is it. It shows up, so I will tap on it. This file is now placed here. It says easily highlight, fill forms, sign and more. I said next, okay? It's trying to guide me on what to do, okay? The next step I have to take because I want to sign this document is to tap on the fill and sign. You see this option once you upload a document here you want to sign, okay? Especially PDF file. So tap on that fill and sign. Then select the pen-like icon. Then tap the plus sign at add signature. Then this opens this space for you to sign. You have the option of draw, you have image, you have camera. Draw is selected and you are required to sign your signature here. But maybe if you sign your signature on plain white sheet, you can tap on the image option and upload it. Okay, that will even look neater. All right, or you go with camera option to capture the signature if you already have signed it on a paper and you want to capture it, snap it and upload. Okay, that's taking a picture of it. But in this case, I want to use the draw option, which is selected by default. So draw your signature in the space you have sign here. And this is my signature. Tap the done button. After you tapped on the done button, what this means is that the system has now registered your signature. So you have your signature in Adobe Acrobat database. Okay, so tap on the signature icon again. That is the pen-like icon at the bottom right. Then you can see the signature I signed now. So you will see yours from your end. So tap on the signature. Now I say tap anywhere to place signature. Okay, so I want to place the signature here, so I will tap there. Now this signature is placed here. You can change the color. You can see color options there, or you can reduce it. Okay, by that arrow there you can reduce, try to reduce it, then and then drag it for it to be fitted where you want it to be. Okay, you can see my own is fitted. You can tap out. Okay, now my signature is positioned accurately in this PDF document. All right, now the next step you need to take is to save this PDF file. So first let's tap on done and then tap the three dots at the top right. Then select the option to save a copy. Now select where you want to save a copy. For me, I want to save it locally. So I will go with the option local Acrobat files. Okay. Remember, whenever you download or install Adobe Acrobat on your iPhone, a special folder is created for it on your phone. So that is where we're going to save this file. So we'll go with option local Acrobat files. You can see the next step you need to take is click on save. Then it said we should give this a name. So I have the default name as letter PDF. Then I can add after so that I'll know that it's after I've signed this. Okay. Then I'll tap on save. This file is now saved locally on this iPhone. So let's go and check it. Then get to home page. Then tap on Files app. Then tap on my iPhone. Then I will get to the Acrobat folder. Okay, Adobe Acrobat folder. Look at Acrobat here. So I will tap on it. Then you can see later PDF after. So I will tap on it for you to see how it looks fully. And with this, you can share this file to anyone, anytime you want to share it to him. You can send to WhatsApp, you can send to Messenger, you can send to the person's email address, maybe Gmail. It's that simple. Okay. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel so that you learn more on technology skills. All right, it's very important in our world of today. Leave a comment in the comment section so that this video will be ranked high, and hit the like button so that this video will be shown to more people that need to know about this. If you don't do that, there's no how they will see it. Okay, so don't leave without hitting the like button. All right, if you want to learn how to create digital signature certificate and add it in a PDF file using Acrobat Reader, consider watching this video. See you next time.